Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. So for today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send a document for signing in DocuSign. So first, you may want to head over to DocuSign and of course, make sure that you're logged into your account. Now from here, start by choosing a template to make sending easier. Just click on templates and here you have an option to create your template or you can also browse starter templates that are pre-made and are ready to use. So from here, I'm just going to pick a random template that I can use. Then click on Add Selected. While here using your chosen pre-made template, proceed by adding your documents or files here. Click on the Upload button, then click on Desktop if you have the document saved here. Choose your file from your library and open it. Then next is scroll down and add details about the recipient. So add in the email address for the buyer, their contact name, and make sure that you toggle or choose this needs to sign option. The same with the sender or manufacturer. So the sender could be you, so just add in your name and email address. You can add more recipients if you want to send this to more people. Add in subject and message and proceed by clicking on the next button. Now here's an overview on how the file or document will appear on the recipient. You can review and edit some changes in the document and once ready, head over and click on the send button. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video and I'll see you again on the next one. Bye!